Wouldn't it be nice to be able to use your voice rather than the keypad on your BlackBerry to be able to enter information onto your device? Well, with vLingo Plus, you can do just that. You can access many of the applications on your device like Maps or Contacts, Calendar, the web. You can fill in fields on your applications like in Siebel or Mobile Sales Assistant. You can send an email, SMS text, dial the phone, or take a note to self and make a to-do. It's all very easy to use. The application is available out on your BlackBerry Apps World, and the cost is $19.99, so fairly inexpensive to work with. When you open it up on your device, it's going to give you some ideas as to how you can use the application. For instance, it'll give you some ideas on doing a web search. You might say Google or search weather, how to set up a text message, what is the format, and we're going to look at two specifically, how to set up an email and also how to add information into an application like Siebel. So you'll notice here with the email, you start off by saying email and then who's getting it, subject, that's going to be the subject of the message, and then message, that'll be the rest of the text. That way the application knows where to put the data that it's getting from your voice. So let's do this. I'm going to go out to my main menu on my BlackBerry, and when you're setting it up, you're going to set up your left button or whichever button on your BlackBerry you have set up to do your voice recognition. That's going to now become your vLingo button. And I'm going to press that anytime that I'm on the main menu here, and I'm going to start by setting up this email. Email, Steve, subject, vLingo, message. This is a great application. When I release the button, it's going to think through what it is I said and then give me what it thinks I want to do. Now in this instance, the Steve that I'm thinking of is not the Steve that is showing up here. So I'm going to move down and select this and click my trackball, and I'm going to select the correct Steve Smith. Notice here that it added a little letter in front of the vLingo. I'm going to delete that. And down below, it's got what I said. This is a great application. I don't have to make any edits here. I can just go ahead and send it. It'll give me a little voice message saying that the email was sent. It'll also show me on my screen that the email was sent. There'll be a little pop-up thing here. What I'm going to do next, I want to show you how we can add a message or add information into, say, my Siebel account. And I'm going to go into my Siebel, and I'm going to go ahead and open up a new contact. I'm just going to do my menu, new, and I'm going to say new. Sometimes working with a simulator is interesting. And again, I just press my side key and say what it is I want in here. Aaron. When I release it, it'll come back and tell me. Okay, match there. I'm just going to paste it in and do it again. I'm going to put in his last name, Marshall. So it's thinking through, matching what it thinks I said. There it is, Marshall. It's perfect. I'm just going to paste it in. This is really helpful when you get down and you're trying to do some additional information about the contact, perhaps a description of the call or whatever. So the application is very simple to use. I think you'll enjoy it. As I mentioned before, it is available out on the BlackBerry Desktop Manager. And there's the URL for that, and the cost is $19.99. Let me know what you think of it when you've been using it for a little while. Thanks!